This video is going to look at how we can compare where two files differ from each other using the new file mismatch method that has been introduced with Java 12. The mismatch method works by comparing the bytes of two files. The method will return a long value that points to the index where two files may first differ. If the files are identical, byte by byte, or two paths provided point to the same file, the value of -1 will be returned. We'll begin by defining two paths, and to create a temporary file with the files.createTempFile method, I'll pass in the prefix of 1 and 2 and the suffix of .text to both of these. Now, using the files.writeString method, I'll now populate both of these files with a string of hello world. And from here we can now compare the byte content of the files, and we can store the index position of the first difference between these files in a new long variable called indexDifference. I'll call files.mismatch, passing in path1 and path2 to compare the files. And I'll now print this into the console and run this. So we can see -1 has been returned, and that's because the two files are completely identical. If I change the files.mismatch method to compare path1 to path1 and I rerun the code, we can now see it's still printing -1, and that's because it's pointing to the same file twice. If I change the file content of the second file to add the word new in the middle and rerun the application, we can now see the value of 6 has been returned to the console. This is because file 1 contains the letter W at index position 6 and file 2 contains the letter N. If I change the second file content to lowercase w, we will see the same output as the comparison is case sensitive. W at position 6 in file 1 to lowercase w at position 6 in file 2. The mismatch method can be really useful when comparing files. The index number returned can be used to create a boolean for an if statement, or it can be used within a switch statement for other possible applications. So that concludes this video on how we can use the files.mismatch method. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos on Java version updates that will include syntax changes for all other prior versions of Java down to Java 8.